Hi, my name's Eric Cronin. I wanted to talk to you for a minute about scams, especially those on social media. Now, scams are nothing new. They've been around for quite some time, but there's some interesting things that they do in social media, especially around the Facebook side of things, whether on Marketplace or through other profiles as well. One of the things I see a lot on Facebook Marketplace is somebody will put something up for sale and a scammer will contact them and they will talk to them about things. And eventually what they'll say is, I need to make sure you're legitimate. I'm going to send you a code from Google Voice, and this will prove that you are who you say you are. They usually say something like, I don't want to get scammed, or I've been scammed before. So the person receives a code. It says it's from Google Voice, and they give these people the code. Well, turns out what they've done is they've taken their cell phone number, and these bad actors have now associated it with a Google Voice number that they then turn around to use to run scams. So that code is actually one that you receive to verify that you're enrolling your phone number in Google Voice. But they're very tricky about how they do that. So we want to be careful with anything like that. That's going to be a scam 100% of the time. The other thing I see is a lot of things going up for sale that are at ridiculously low prices. Everything from tractors to quads, off-road vehicles, to cars. A lot of times they're at $800 or $1,000, and there's some very typical things in these ads. They always say recently maintained, so the oil was changed, never had any problems, parked indoors. It sounds all beautiful, but there's no way that somebody's going to sell a $10,000 truck for $1,200 or $1,000. If you look at these and you go to their profile, their seller profile, you'll see that this same truck may be listed 100 times in different places around the country. It's an easy way to tell it's a scam. Please report those to Facebook, although I don't know that it's doing any good. But those are a couple of the scams that I see a lot of times, and they're going to be more prevalent as we get near the holiday season and people are looking to make purchases, especially around those very difficult to get things like the PlayStation 5s or the high-end must-have toys for that season. So keep these in mind when dealing with especially Facebook Marketplace and other places as well. These scams can be carried over to those. Stay safe out there.